Welcome back to our channel. If you're on the hunt for the perfect smartwatch to elevate your lifestyle, you've clicked on the right video. Today, we're diving into our list of the top 5 smartwatches currently on the market. Whether you're looking for cutting-edge fitness tracking, seamless connectivity, or stylish designs, we've got you covered. Join us as we break down each smartwatch's standout features, unique benefits, and how they can enhance your daily routine. So sit back, relax, and let's find the perfect smartwatch for you.
Stay connected and active with the Huagel smartwatch. Answer, make call. Featuring a large 1.85 display for clear visuals and easy navigation. This 2024 newest fitness tracker offers Bluetooth calling, so you can stay in touch without reaching for your phone. With comprehensive health tracking, including heart rate monitoring and multi-sport modes, it's the perfect companion for your fitness goals. Stylish, versatile, and waterproof for all-day wear.
Stay connected and active with the ZOSKVEE HD 1.91 smartwatch for men and women. Make and answer calls directly from your wrist while tracking your fitness goals with precision. With multiple health features and a sleek design, this smartwatch keeps you on track 24/7. Perfect for those who want style, functionality, and convenience in one.
Stay connected and fit with the 2024 HD 1.96 smartwatch for men and women. With the ability to answer and make calls directly from your wrist, this smartwatch is a true multitasking companion. Track your fitness and health goals with advanced features like heart rate monitoring and activity tracking, sleek, stylish, and designed for modern living.
Experience seamless connectivity with the Huagel Smartwatch 2024, featuring a 1.85 HD display and answer make call capabilities. Track your fitness with precision using advanced health metrics, including heart rate, steps, and sleep. Its sleek design and IP68 waterproof rating make it perfect for any lifestyle. Stay active, connected, and stylish in one go.
Stay connected and active with the 1.85 smartwatch for men and women. This sleek device allows you to easily answer, make calls directly from your wrist, ensuring seamless communication on the go, with IP68 waterproofing. And comprehensive fitness tracking, it's perfect for both workouts and daily wear. Achieve your health goals in style and stay ahead with cutting-edge technology.